Supermarkets have replaced butchers as the primary suppliers of meat. However, many Jamaicans still opt to buy fresh meat, pork, mutton, beef from local butchers. An unlicensed butcher operating from an abattoir or slaughterhouse with poor hygiene standards can result in the contamination of meat and the spread of disease. Chief Veterinarian within the Veterinary Services Division, Dr. Osbill Watson, is cautioning Jamaicans to purchase meat from licensed butchers only. Marlon Samuels has more on the regulation of the slaughter industry in Jamaica in this report.
Slaughterhouses are premises approved and registered for the slaughtering and dressing of animals intended for human consumption. Reports sometimes surface of unlicensed butchers operating from unregistered slaughterhouses, selling meat not passed by public health inspectors to unsuspecting consumers. Regulations of the slaughter industry in Jamaica aims to improve hygiene and reduce the contamination of meat and spread of disease. The regulations call for butchers to be registered with the local health board, along with other requirements. It also stipulates that the slaughtering of animals must take place in a licensed slaughterhouse with specific hygiene standards. There, the meat is inspected by the public health inspector. This is critical as they protect the integrity of the meat being purchased by consumers. Meat inspection allows for the detection and prevention of foodborne pathogens or chemical contaminants in meat. Once the meat is deemed safe, it is given a stamp of approval by the public health inspector. In a recent interview with JIS, Chief Veterinarian Dr. Osbill Watson urged Jamaicans to make sure they are buying meat from a registered butcher or establishment. Jamaicans are also cautioned to be careful of where and from whom they source their meats. The warning comes as prey de larceny still occurs, and there has been cases of people selling the carcasses of stolen animals. For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.